You love EFF when you are in trouble. When you are not in trouble, you don't love the EFF. When the farmers beat you up, you start asking for the address of the EFF. When your bosses don't pay you, you ask for EFF address. When the councillors steal from you, you ask for the EFF. When there is no service delivery in the hospitals, you ask for the EFF. But when the time comes for you to vote, we cancel out Mandela. Yes, Pumakute no Madiba. There is no Madiba here. Huh? You will not go to Madiba's grave when the poor give you trouble. You come to the EFF. So you must start doing the right thing and vote for the EFF so that we can resolve your problems. We are resolving your problems now. Yesterday we were marching to George Hospital.